Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to install the penny lights, my 2003 Jeep TJ. I got a hole in the bumper, and I'm also going to put one into the tube fenders. To install the penny lights for a nice tight fit, I find using a 5/8 drill bit works great. Then use a die grinder to just make the hole a little bit larger. Put your rubber grommet in, feed your light in. Insert your penny light. It's still a little bit tight, but I found this way you don't have to have any issues or wondering if it's ever going to come out. You're going to notice one light has 2 wires, one has 3 wires. You're going to need a blinker genie to accommodate for that issue. And LEDs are polarity runs, so you got to cut all the ends off first. First wire's not doing anything, so that's probably your ground. The block with the yellow wire is about constant 11 volts, so we know that is your full-time power and the lights are on, and this is your signal because it'll flash. You can see it flash around there. So that is that. So on the driver's side, I got a black wire. I'm going to say is going to be ground. This is going to be lights on, and this gray wire is going to be the flasher, I bet you. Got the meter on volts. Let's touch this wire. Nothing. That's going to be 12 volts, I bet you. Yep. And that's going to be your flasher. Now, this is where it gets tricky with LED lights. That gray wire is the flasher wire. So what I need to do is take that wire, cut it. I'm pretty sure that one's going to have to be grounded. So now doing my test, that one should be signal only. And no, failed on that. This is how I had to get it to work. This probably will not work for you, depends on your polarity of your lights. I had to take the gray wire and ground it, and then the yellow and black wire went to the gray wire going down to the light. So the ground is a trigger. So I just got everything dry fitted now before I test it. You know, when I jumped again, signal lights first. Signal lights there, but no signal lights there. What the heck? Everything's wired in, right? Oh wait, I don't think that comes on until the lights are on. That's right. There we go. Yeah, it's right. Because that's the marker light. So what you see right there with the wires is the blinker genie takes a 3-wire light, converts it to 2-wire light, and the 1-2 wire, it was the LED's polarity only, so you had to make sure that that is worked or hooked up correctly because the ground is a trigger. But the blinker genie is what you need to do the 3-wire to 2-wire in order to make your signal lights work. It is kind of confusing. That's why I'm showing this video. I also want to say anytime you hook up LED lights, you're going to have a hyper flash, which means your signal lights are going to flash really fast. I have a video on that and how to correct that, which is really simple and easy. No modifications at all. I'll put a link to that at the end screen and in the description. Alright, shut her down. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of installing the penny lights, my 2003 Jeep TJ, to make them work so that they're somewhat legal around here. I had to use the blinker genie, and I'll have a short video on that later on in the future. Anyways, hope you guys had fun. I'll see you guys in the next one.